What are you planning now? Oh, hello guys. This is Kyron's playing with his fire truck engine and smart bot. This is smart bot here. That's fire engine here. And this is the box of the smart bot, which says a lot of movements here. It's smart bot and the fire engine will have a race. I'm gonna go faster. I'm gonna go faster. Oh no! I think smart bot. Oh, and this guitar is making music too. Dun-dun-dun, 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 dun-dun-dun. Oh, okay. Now it's time to. Oh no! Oh no! Come on! I need to beat that. Oopsie! What did I do? Whoop! Come on! Smart bot! You need to win! You need to win! Come on, smart bot! Oh! Smart bot is beaten by fire truck, and someone is very happy jumping. Oh! See, Daisy, what a jump. That's a high jump you got there. Another high jump. Wow, lovely. So what happened to Smart? How about this car? I think this car will win. So can you turn it on? Wow, let's see. Uh-oh. What happened here? Oopsie, there you go. Oh. I think I'm gonna win. What? Whoopsie. Oh no. Car is hit by the fire truck. Uh-oh. What happened to car? Come on, car. Come on, move. We need to win. Come on. We need to win. Come on. Oh my, this car is so slow. I think it needs a battery. Because, fire truck is doing so well. But this car is not. It needs to... Oh, fire truck is stuck. It's stuck under the corner of the chair. Oh, can... Oh no, what's going on? I'm winning now. Car is winning. What? Woo! Oopsie daisy! Did you see that, guys? This fire truck is so cool. Can you see how it moves and the lights up? And even the car. Well, the car needs a bit of battery there. And fire truck is stuck on the under the table. Oh no! This boy wants a fire helicopter now. Oh my word. He wants everything. He wants lots of toys. He got his basketball court there. And can you see the box of this fire engine? Here you go. It's Max truck car. Oh, it's a truck car apparently.
I want this one. I want the fire truck.
Where's the fire truck there? That's the one you got.
Not this one, not this one.
So you want this one?
No, I want this one.
You want, that's what you have there. That's the one there. Yeah, that's the one there. Yeah, that's what you have. Isn't it? But we don't have this one yet, which we need to have one. And we need to have this one too. So you can play them. Alright? Oh no, Smartbot is sleeping. Look at Smartbot. He's sleeping. Can you make him stand up again? Whoopsie. Oop. Come on, Smartbot. Can we move around? Oh, there you go. Oh.
This one.
Oopsie. Oopsie. Oh no. Oh.
I want two remote controls.
Here you go. Okay, here's the other remote control for the smart bot there. And do you want this one?
No.
Oopsie. Oh no, the box is squashed. Okay. Alright. Okay. And we got a background music here, which is someone is watching some music channel as well, while Kyron is vlogging his toys, showing off his new toys here. And oh no, someone is coughing. Oh, did you see the fire truck? Whoa, how cool is that? Oh no, the basketball court. Well, a small. Oh no, it's gonna fall soon. Oh no. One more hit. One more hit. Bang! Oh no. Yeah, one balloon has popped. Never mind. Never mind. Oh, the other one got smaller now. Yeah. I know, right? So how old are you now? Can you tell me? You're 4 years old. Well done. And this is, guys, this is Kyron. He's playing his new toys. Oh no, he went under the table again. Oh, can you get him out there? Can you get the truck out? Come on, you can do it. Oh dear me. Oh dear me. Oopsie. What's that? What was that? Bye bye, fire truck. Where are you going? Where is fire truck going? He's going to the robot. Okay. Come on, fire truck. Go to the robot, please. Oh, robot is saying something there. Oopsie. I think fire truck wants to go to the slide. With the car slide. Eh? He's under there. He's enjoying his new toys, guys. Please watch Kyron play with his toys. You will enjoy it. Watching him playing his fire truck. And it goes up. And go up, and it turns. And it, oh, look at that. This is the best fire truck ever. Yeah, and I believe the car will want to slow down. Whoa! Oh no! What happened there? Oh, probably the ball. Let's see the ball. 1, 2, 3. Woo! It's so cool. Yeah, that's how when you try to escape. Oh, Lego man, help! Save me, fire! Oh, thank you very much, fire. Okay, thank you very much, fire truck. Thank you for saving me. Can you put me down, please? Put me down, please. Thank you. Okay, I want to go down a bit more. Oopsie. Oh, yay! Thank you very much, fire truck. Thank you, fireman. And there you go. Bye, fireman. Thank you for saving me. Bye.
Bye.
See you again. Okay, click and subscribe if you like Kyron's play and fun game. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Kyron. Bye.